Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the lecturer vacancies from the multiple colleges. And the multiple colleges are from the government as well as the autonomous colleges, guys. And here the eligibility means the candidates who are having only post graduation or else the PG plus UG Senate. Both these two candidates, here the opportunities are there. So I request you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications in the government or else as well as the autonomous private colleges. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG Net preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the first college is Dr. Umlayal Ramanathan College for Women. So it is accredited with B plus grade by NAC, guys, and here it is affiliated to Alagappa University. The contact number as well as email ID, both these two are provided here. If you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact or else you may put your mail to this women's college at alagappa.org. Here the recruitment is there for the academic year 2021 to 22, and this recruitment is only for the female candidates. Okay, and applications are invited from dynamic qualified persons with excellent communication skills and determination to perform as assistant professor in the following departments. So coming to the departments here, English, Tamil, Mathematics, Physics, Electronics and Communication, Biotechnology, Commerce, Physical Education. These are the departments, guys, and apart from this one, the supporting staff is also required, that is non-teaching staff, librarian, lab instructor for microbiology and biotechnology, and the qualification is PG plus PG with PhD. If you don't have the PhD, then no problem. If you're having the NET or SLET also with some teaching experience, you may apply for this one, guys. Okay, so it is the details for this recruitment. Here the one thing you have to mind that this recruitment is only for the female faculty. Okay, only for the female candidates only, right? And the next college is Vardhaman College of Engineering. It is autonomous college, guys. So in this one, assistant professor vacancies are there. That is, candidates should have the PG or PhD degree in the computer science engineering or information technology or the artificial intelligence. PhD is not mandatory here. Okay. So preference will be given for candidates having specializations in AI, machine learning, cloud, data science and network security. So good oral and written communication skills must be there. Commitment towards the work and good publication records. So ability to write the proposals for research grants and proficiency in the latest technologies. Fine. So it is a job description, guys, and if you're interested in this one, anyhow I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you have to fill up name of the candidate and gender, so which department you belongs to, okay, out of all these three, UG and so what is your UG percentage and when you completed undergraduation, post-graduation, okay, and all these details you have to fill up, guys. Okay. And coming to the next one, so it is a government university, guys, from Srinagar. Okay, so Kashmir University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology of Kashmir. So here the walk-in interview for engagement of contractual lecturers for teaching assignments purely on academic arrangement basis during the spring semester in the below mentioned disciplines, and the walk-in interview is going to held on 31st May 2021. Monday at morning 11 o'clock in the Directorate of Education, okay, Srinagar. And here the faculty or the division is Faculty of Horticulture, Shalimar, Srinagar. Here the discipline is Business Management, Marketing. One vacancy is that. It is also the contractual basis. And coming to School of Agriculture, Economics and Horti Business Management, Agri Economics, one vacancy is that. Coming to the eligibility criteria, the candidate must possess a master's degree in the respective discipline with a minimum 55% of marks or equivalent grade in OGPA or equivalent postgraduate qualification in the concerned subject. And a PhD degree in concerned subject as prescribed by UGC Regulations 2009. And if you are having the national eligibility test or one referred general, then you may apply. PhD is not required. Okay. So PhD is relaxable for the candidates who are having the post graduation plus net qualification plus one referred journal. Then these candidates are exempted from the PhD degree. Okay. So net or at least two full length publications having a NAAC rating of not less than 4 and the professional degree in the concerned subject. The contractor lectures are going to be paid 28,000 rupees per month is going to be paid, and few terms and conditions are given here. You may check down this. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay. And coming to the next one, it is the Dwarka Das Govardhan Das Vaishnav College. It is autonomous college, guys. So here applications are invited for the post of assistant professor under unaided stream in the following disciplines from candidates who satisfy the UGC qualification norms 2018. So the last date of submission is 30th May 2021. Okay. So in this one, here the departments are English, Tamil, BBA, Marketing Management, Finance and Taxation, Account and Finance, Statistics, Criminology and Police Administration, Journalism, Visual Communication, Biotechnology, Bank Management, Microbiology, Computer Applications, Mathematics, Human Resource Management and Physical Education. So total there are 17 departments are there, guys. Of course, as per the UGC regulations 2018, for applying the assistant professor, the candidate must have the post-graduation plus UGC net qualification must be there. But that is not clearly mentioned here. They just mentioned that UGC qualification norms has to be maintained. My suggestion is that even though if you are having the post graduation only in these departments or else a PG plus UGC net, okay, then try to send your resume to the jobs@dgvaishnavcollege.edu.in. Okay, so these are the 4 different notifications, guys. Okay, so one is Dwarka Das Govardhan Das Vaishnav College. It is autonomous one. So it is announcing the vacancies from the total 17 departments. Even though if you are having the PG or else the PG plus UGC net, then apply for this one. And the next one is Government University from Srinagar walk-in interview regarding the business management and agribusiness. Okay, the walk-in interview is on 31st May 2021. And the next one is Vardhaman College Autonomous. So if you are having the only post-graduation degree in the CSC, IT or AA, okay, then you may apply for this one. And then the next one is Umayal Ramanathan College for women. So only for the female candidates. So if you are having the post-graduation plus UGC net in this department, then you may apply for this one. Okay. So total these are the different colleges, government university as well as autonomous colleges, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC net exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC net, okay, NTA UGC net, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC net. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC net. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.